Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Let's dive right into it. If you guys get something out of this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's one way you can help us out. So what we're gonna do right now is show you how you can delegate to a stake pool. So for those of you that don't know, when you own Cardano, you can sign a transaction, you can stake and earn a yield. So what you're doing is you are delegating to a pool, and for doing so, you earn a little bit of the new supply. So that's what we're going to get into in this video. So if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe and ask any questions that you may have. So recently, we did a video on how to set up a Cardano wallet. I showed you step by step how to set up a Lace and a Nami wallet. So if you've done that, then what you can do is go to your wallet and you can begin to stake. You can earn a little bit of APY, APR. So we're going to use the Lace wallet for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Lace. Okay. So this is a Chrome extension tool, and we're going to send funds to this address. So we're going to copy our public and we're going to send funds to here. So in the other video, I already sent some, so check that out. So we're going to go to send, and we're going to send, let's try to max this out if we can. So we'll probably do, what, like 9 ADA? Maybe we could do 9.8, 9.5. Let's just do that. That's fine. So one fee. So we're going to go here. If I remember, we're going to put in our password. So we just sent 9 ADA to this address. So once we get it, then we can begin to stake. So with the Lace wallet, in my opinion, it's a great option for staking. You can do quite a few things with the wallet. So comment down below, how do you guys go about it? So that's what we're gonna do here in just a second. So we gotta wait and see what's going on there. So if we look right now, we just received our ADA. So we received our 9 ADA, so now we can stake, okay? If you are using a Nami wallet and you are delegating, make sure that you set up your wallet properly, you set collateral. So here we're gonna make sure we're under the mainnet. So we're under mainnet, perfect. We have a good internet connection, and we found our pool. So for us, we're gonna delegate to DApp. So that is going to be DApp Central Stake Pool. Shout out to you, Fareed. And we're gonna click here. Okay, and we're going to go to the expanded view so we can kind of view this a little bit bigger for you all. So I'm going to hide my face there so you can see better. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on staking. Okay, so this is where you're going to see everything and get a nice idea of how this works. So you can go to browse pools and you can find a pool that you like. What I recommend is to find a YouTuber that you like and delegate to theirs. So we're going to type in DApp. And we're going to stake to the DApp Central Stake Pool. Now, what you can also do is you can delegate to an ISPO. So you can delegate to a pool where instead of earning ADA, you can earn a new token of a project that hasn't come out yet. So in return, instead of returning or earning ADA, you could return their token to you. You could get that. So it's a great way for projects to raise funds, and you can get in early on projects. So I'm currently in the Dega 1 ISPO to earn Dega. So we're just gonna delegate to DApp, do your own research. So we selected that. Now we're gonna go to next in the bottom right. And here you can see that we can do a ratio. So under allocated, and again, we're playing with 9 ADA. That is not a lot. So I recommend you play with more. We're gonna do 100%, okay? So now we're going to confirm new portfolio, okay? So here you're going to see our fee. Next, this is just for tutorial purposes only. So we're going to put in our password, confirm, close. So we're going to let this go for a minute here. So right now we have no activity, and what you want to do is wait for a couple of epochs. So an epoch is 5 days. So every 5 days, you will begin to see some activity. So if you don't see that right away, no worries. So if you go to overview, you can see here that we've got an ADA balance of 6.82, and we're in one pool. So here we can manage our pool, right? and you can do this and so on. So if we go to tokens, you can see we got $3 USD. And again, we're not playing with a lot of funds, so that's something to keep in mind. So again, if you go to stake, go to activity, you will see that being reflected. So you guys can definitely check that out. Make your own decisions. It's definitely up to you to find out, which pool you want to be in. So with that being said, we're going to keep this short and sweet. Again, check out the video, how to set up a Cardano wallet. You have to learn to do that first. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have some extra ADA, January 24th, if you are a Loose Moose holder, you can mint a free ADA plate. And we did a screenshot January 7th. So if you held a Loose Moose NFT January 7th, this is what it looks like in the link tree. You are eligible to mint a ADA plate. So if you have a Loose Moose, go to ADA plate under the link tree. You can see all the information down below. So 3 days from now, right now it's January 18th, you can begin the whitelist. Public mint is January 25th. So this is a collab between myself and Alien Peace Force. So guys, check out the other links. Pick up a hardware wallet. You should have a Trezor ledger, something to help protect your assets. Just like going to bed, you got to protect yourself. So we'll see you guys in the next video.